Ever feel like your neck facings are the weak point of your handmade clothes? Maybe the raw edge is scratchy or it just looks very homemade. Today I'm going to show you an upgraded way to sew your facings that result in a professional shop-bought finish every time. This is a designer level secret that gives you a crisp, professional edge without a serger, and the best part, it's just as fast as the standard way. To start, you'll need your front and back facings cut from your garment fabric. You'll also need the exact same pieces cut from your favorite lightweight fusible inner facing. I'm using a medium weight inner facing for this example. Here's the lightweight versus the medium. It will be a bit easier to sew the medium, so I suggest using that for your first time trying this technique. First, bring the right sides together and sew the front and back facings together at the shoulder seams. Sew these at the correct seam allowance, which is usually 5/8 of an inch. Now press the seams open. Do the exact same thing for your inner facing pieces. Bring the right sides together. The glue dots should be on the outside. You should be able to feel them as you sew. Since we can't press these seams open, we're going to trim the excess seam allowance close to the stitching and then just flatten that seam with your fingers. Okay, here's where it all comes together. Take your fabric facings and lay them right side up. Now the inner facing, lay that glue side up so that the smooth edge is against the fabric. Pin this in place on the outside edge. This is the edge where we're going to be sewing the facing to the top. So we're focusing on this outer edge, the edge with no notches. It's the edge that usually gets serged or zigzagged. Sew this all around at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Don't worry if your inner facing doesn't line up perfectly with the fabric edge. Focus on the fabric edge to line up your seam allowance. Go slow around the curves. You can even stop with the needle down and pivot to get those tight curves sewn. Now clip any curves like this just to the sewn line, making sure not to cut the thread. You can also trim the outer curves like this. Turn the facing to the back. Use your fingers to roll that seam out so that it's nice and crisp. And now, because the glue side is facing the wrong side of the fabric, we can just give this a good press to fuse it together. As you iron, the inner facing fuses to the facing. And look at that edge. It's perfectly enclosed. It's clean. It creates a built-in guide for a beautiful neckline. No raw edges and no serging required. Now you can sew this into your garment just like a standard facing. It's a simple step that makes a world of difference in the longevity of your sewing too. Whether you're sewing for yourself or building a brand to sell, this step is definitely worth the effort. You'll know the quality is there and your finished piece will have a high-end, tailored feel that truly lasts. I'm going to get back to finishing this top. Stay tuned for more sewing tips. And if you try this tailored facing technique, let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more practical sewing tips to level up your wardrobe. Happy sewing!